we're at the 2018 Detroit Autorama. We've got Chris Carlson here from Chris Carlson Hot Rods, out of Kansas, always putting out just beautiful rides. We've seen that 49 Buick. This 49 Cadillac is just spectacular. You know, tell us a little bit about what you've done to it.
Well, this one here, we found a car down in California, and it was a pretty clean car to begin with. It was actually a run and drive and restoration. That's kind of what the customer wanted. He wanted to make sure he had all the parts, that it was a pretty solid car. So we get it up on the lift, we start checking some things, find a little bit of hints here and there that there was some rust. So we blow the entire car apart. We started from the bottom. We fixed all the floor stuff, we got all the pans working, we got everything fitting how we wanted it. We belly panned the whole bottom of it so it's just as smooth underneath as she is on top. Then we went with a chopped top. So we chopped it 2.5 in the windshield, and we chopped it 5 inches in the deck lid. Wow. This car, you've got to go from the windshield to the rear bumper to make that chop look right.
I was gonna say, there's so many small details and just nothing went untouched in it.
Yeah.
I mean, the interior is absolutely beautiful. The paint job's super nice. You know, you still got that great iconic 3-piece back window.
Yep. Still has to be a Cadillac, man.
Absolutely.
Doesn't matter how much you change it, it still has to be a Cadillac. And you know, so we put the quarters together, we welded them together, kind of enhanced a few things around the tail lights. We moved the rear bumper down 3 inches so that chrome line lines up with that bumper, gives us a little sexier butt in the back. So then we were able to French the tag, move those bumper guards into the body and put a little reveal around it just for some detail.
Well, everything looks spectacular, and you know, to protect all that, you got to have some weather stripping on it.
You got to have that weather stripping. You got to make sure those doors shut nice, they sound good. Otherwise, that thing's going to chatter and rattle, and it's going to water leak and everything else. So that's when we came to you guys. All the rubber trim around the deck lid works perfect. All around the doors works perfect. It seals up nice, sounds like it's supposed to. Also, the frame and the body's mounted with your guys' biscuits. So, you know, it's perfect.
Well, we really appreciate it. I mean, you are always phenomenal with everything you put out.
Thank you, sir.
It's great seeing you.
Appreciate it. Good seeing you, man.